Do you feel like you're constantly burning yourself out just to keep others happy? You say yes when you want to scream no. You fear that if you set a boundary, you'll be labeled as rude or selfish. Here is the truth. People who get angry when you set boundaries are the exact people who benefited from you having none. Today we're fixing that using psychology. Why do we feel guilty when we prioritize ourselves? It's called conditioned empathy. From a young age, many of us were rewarded for being compliant and punished for being difficult. Your brain learned that being nice equals being safe. But in adulthood, this is a trap. You're trading your mental health for external validation. You aren't being mean, you're just reclaiming your autonomy. Here are 3 psychological shifts to set boundaries without the guilt. First, the no sandwich. You don't need to give a long, dramatic explanation. A simple, polite no is a complete sentence. If you must explain, use, "I'd love to help, but I don't have the bandwidth for that right now. Maybe next time." Second, reframe selfish as sustainability. Think of your energy like a bank account. If you give it all away, you have nothing left for yourself. Setting a boundary is just managing your assets. Third, the discomfort test. When you set a boundary, you will feel guilt. That's normal. Treat that feeling like a growing pain. It's just your brain adjusting to a new, healthier habit. Remember, true boundaries aren't walls to keep people out. They are gates to let the right people in. When you start saying no to things that don't align with your goals, you are actually making room for the people who respect your time and your sanity. You aren't losing friends. You're filtering your life. If you're ready to stop people-pleasing and start living for yourself, hit that subscribe button. It's a small step for your growth, and we're here to help you navigate it. Drop a comment below. What's one boundary you're going to set this week? Let's hold each other accountable. See you in the next one.